K-Hair, and I dealt with Rachel, who was absolutely amazing as far as her communication went, her service, her patience even, and walking me through, like, really impressed with this hair. I'm actually going to show one of the wefts. It is full, it is luxurious. I don't even want to use it just yet today too, but this is the deep twist, I think. If you notice, it's like full from root to tip. Even going back and confirming with Rachel that the buns I got and the hair frontal would be enough. She said yes for sure, but like, look at this. It's just amazing. Look at the quality. You want to make sure that you do your research. So I actually found K-Hair on the website other than looking for something else, and they actually have a ton of information that's very helpful. Although they're their own hair company and they do sell hair wholesale, they also provide a slew of information online that you can read up on. And you know, I did that and I reached out to them, and then one of the, I guess, the managers put me on to Rachel, and once I connected with her, she's been absolutely amazing. She's been available, she answers questions promptly, she provides guidance. Just look at this, amazing. So shout out to K-Hair, especially Rachel. Thank you so much for your help, and you know, sure, I'll be ordering more.